Hi everyone, I'm Christiana Kamitri, one of the sales and safety specialists here at FHOSS. We are a family-operated business based in Weston-super-Mare, specialising in crash prevention solutions. It's across a multitude of different industries, specifically waste, highways, distribution centres, construction, anywhere where we can find a need for tailored solutions in terms of people-plant interface, then we've got you covered. The ethos here at FHOSS is that everyone who goes onto site or comes to work should go home in the same way, safely. FHOSS have a number of key products, specifically looking at keeping the soft and squidgy away from moving plant. We're not a kit in a box provider. We provide tailored solutions for exactly that reason. Every site has a slightly different requirement. Specifically today we're here to talk about a couple of our key products, both the FHOSS Field, Halo Exclusion Zone and our illuminated livery, all of which look at keeping vehicles safe and increasing reaction time, as well as keeping people safe around moving vehicles. We also have a wider range of solutions looking specifically at pedestrian crossing points on site. That is our FHOSS Safety Crossing System. And we also have a high-level lighting solution, which eliminates the need for traditional line painting. So that can be used across a multitude of different applications, as well as our cast projection system that allows sites to project any image onto any surface without needing to regularly maintain it, both of which the two products last around 80,000 hours. But as I said a moment ago, we are a tailored solution provider. So our team are on hand to come to site and look at specific needs and provide a solution to suit. We really care about making sure that people go home safely. It's one of our core values, and it always has been, and it will remain that way. We're a trusted safety solution provider. We've been in the market for a long time. We've really pioneered a number of sort of safety initiatives over the years. And it's fantastic to see safety being seen at the forefront. Unfortunately, incidents do happen, so we like to create a proactive approach to ensuring that we can mitigate those risks for our clients. FHOSS have a team of safety specialists. It's extremely important to us that we have the correct equipment and the correct vehicles to ensure that we can come around the country, visit specific sites. So our partnership with Vanaways sort of organically allowed us to have the correct vehicles and ensure that they were maintained throughout the whole process. I think, like lots of different companies, it's really hard to ensure that you find a trusted partner and can get the resources that you need in the correct time frame. We reached out to multiple different companies, some of which had quite significant lead times, and with our growing team it was imperative that we got vans at the right time, and the team at Vanaways were fantastic. They understood what we needed, and they delivered the vans on time, and they look pretty good, I think. Yeah, we were introduced to Vanaways through a mutual client. They spoke extremely highly of the team, so we reached out to Liam directly. Reaction time was brilliant, came down to visit us, told us about what you could do, provided us with a quote pretty quickly, and allowed us to make an informed decision based on the spec that we required. And yeah, the process was pretty seamless actually from start to finish, so thanks to the team, much appreciated. As I mentioned earlier, our team travel around the country on a daily basis, so ensuring that the fleet runs and if anything goes wrong, it's reacted upon is extremely important. We also carry demo kit within the vans, so the importance of being able to get from A to B safely, demonstrate our kit, it's imperative to the day-to-day running of the business. So we were kept informed throughout the process, from sort of point of saying that we were going to go ahead with the vans that we ordered. We were regularly kept in touch to tell us when we should be expecting them. And then as soon as the vans landed, again, delivery time. So the team kept in touch throughout every stage of the process. And customer service afterwards was brilliant, just checking in, making sure that we were happy with what we had received. So yeah, Liam and Joe were fantastic throughout the process. I think the main thing was as a business, we didn't know what the most suitable vans were. We've had Fords for a number of years and sort of wanted to continue on that. So yeah, we reached out to the team of Vanaways, who provided us with a number of different options. I don't think we have like a crazy requirement. However, the team were very quick to give us a few options that might be most suited to our needs. And yeah, we chose to continue with the Ford theme. Liam very quickly mentioned a few different options that would suit our requirements. And we made a decision to go ahead with the ones that you can see behind us. And they most definitely have suited our requirements in terms of space, comfort. The team do a lot of mileage as well, so efficiency. So yeah, they've been a fantastic addition to the fleet. The team's growing. We originally had 2 vans, we now have I think 5. Obviously our plans are to continue to grow. And with that, we would love to continue our partnership with Vanaways, and hopefully they can continue to provide us with some lovely vehicles.